Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V21e. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, you can enable or disable eye protection mode, schedule it, and change its intensity. Similarly with dark theme, but only schedule. Next, you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, and then you can enable or disable auto rotate screen. Next, you can change screen colors between standard, professional, and bright, and also you can change screen color temperature. Then you can change font size, font style, enable or disable internet speed indicator in status bar and battery percentage in status bar, set screensaver, enable full screen mode for apps, and hide notch in apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.